Hands on top of your head.
Tonight, this police body camera video showing the moment officers arrested a Florida man accused of shooting and killing his neighbor over a tree trimming dispute.
Get in.
78-year-old Edward Druzolowski now charged with second-degree murder in the death of 42-year-old Brian Ford. Ford's family saying he was shot in front of his 8-year-old son. Druzolowski told police Ford was trimming branches on his property when he went up to him with a gun, told him to leave, and then shot him.
I was pointing a gun at him at the time to get him off my property.
Right.
And then he kept walking towards me really close, so I shot him.
Druzolowski's wife calling 911 after hearing those shots fired.
My husband took his gun, but I think he meant to scare him, and I think he killed him.
He killed your neighbor?
I think so. He's not moving.
Despite life-saving efforts by police, Ford died on the scene. His mother recalling the shocking moments.
I saw Ed over my son's body. I didn't see my son's body, just the tree limbs, so he was in the tree limbs, with a gun facing right towards his chest.
She says her 8-year-old grandson, Ford's child, is traumatized.
And he's screaming, he shot my dad. He wanted to go over and lay on top of his dad's body.
Court will currently hold you on no bond.
Druzolowski is now being held in jail without bond. His court-appointed attorney argued for his release due to lack of prior criminal history. The prosecutor, though, argued that Druzolowski said Ford did not have any weapons in his hand and did not threaten him at any time. He's yet to enter a plea. Legal experts saying this would be a difficult case to use a stand-your-ground defense.
Stand your ground protects people who are acting lawfully where they stand. It does not give anyone a full license to draw their firearm and shoot someone they're having an argument with.
Tom, according to a police report, Druzolowski said he never had any type of verbal or physical confrontations at all with Ford, but he felt more comfortable approaching him with a gun. Now, his next court appearance is set for about 3 weeks from now. Tom?
Okay, Steven Romo for us. Steven, we appreciate that.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.